Okay, guys, did Bigfoot photobomb this nature documentary? A lot of people think so, including the director himself. Let's get into it. Back in 2001, director William Reeves took all of his equipment and a skeleton crew hundreds of miles into the northernmost region of Quebec. He was there to study the traditions of the local cultures as well as film the beautiful Great Arctic landscape. They were filming a moving herd of caribou when the creature in question came into frame. Look, guys, the director has doubled down, saying there was nobody out there, and there was nobody even within hundreds of miles of where they were filming. Definitely want to hear your guys' thoughts on this one. Just let me know what you think.